Dear viewers, our U.S. citizenship interview is not just about 100 civics questions, English reading or writing test, or the vocabulary from your N-400 application. The moral character test is now more important than ever under the new USCIS policy. Officers can ask moral questions in many parts of your interview, and one wrong answer could cost you. That's why, in this mock interview, we've included lots of moral character questions throughout the process, so you can be fully prepared. Watch carefully from start to finish because every section matters. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Sophia Emilia?
Yes, that's me.
Good morning. My name is Jonathan Hayes. I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. Please come in and remain standing. Before we begin the interview, I'll need to place you under oath. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
Did you study for the citizenship test?
Yes, I did. It's an important interview for me.
Did anyone come here with you?
No, I came by myself.
Remember, you're under oath. Everything you say must be truthful. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How are you feeling?
A bit nervous, but prepared.
That's great. How did you come here today?
I came by Uber.
How was the traffic this morning?
It wasn't bad. It took me about 25 minutes to get here.
That's good to hear. Can I get your green card, your appointment notice, and any of your state-issued ID?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Did you have any trouble finding our location?
No, it was quite easy.
Did anyone assisted you to complete your N-400 application form?
No. I did that myself.
Okay. Do you have any questions before we start?
No.
Where were you born?
Guadalajara, Mexico.
What is your date of birth?
June 14th, 1989.
What's your email address?
My email address is sophia1987@gmail.com.
What is your full legal name?
My full name is Sofia Emilia Duarte.
Have you ever used any other names, nicknames, or names in your native language?
No.
Please spell your last name.
Duarte.
What's your contact number?
It's 901-469-8640.
What is your social security number?
It's 860-697-60-686.
What is your current U.S. address?
892 Willowbrook Drive, Apartment 10B, Dallas, Texas, 75243.
How long have you lived there?
About 5 years.
Where did you live before this address?
104 Riverbend Lane, Fort Worth, Texas, from 2014 to 2019.
Do you own your home or rent it?
We rent the apartment.
Can you tell me your landlord's name or property company?
Yes, it's managed by Willowbrook Realty Management.
Are you married?
Yes, officer.
Can you show me your marriage certificate?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. What's your husband's date of birth?
He was born on November 9th, 1983.
Do you have children?
Yes, we have 2 children.
What are their names and ages?
My daughter Camila, age 11, and my son Mateo, age 8.
Where were they born?
Both were born in Dallas and are U.S. citizens.
Can you please show me your children's birth certificates?
Sure. Here they are.
Thank you. Where do your children go to school?
Camila attends Lakeview Middle School and Mateo is at Oak Ridge Elementary.
What's your husband's legal status?
He is a U.S. citizen.
What is your spouse's full name?
My husband's full name is Gabriel Andres Duarte.
How many times have you been married?
I have been married once.
What is your spouse's occupation?
He works as an electrician for Lone Star Power Solution.
How many times has your spouse been married?
He has been married for once.
Have you filed taxes every year since becoming a permanent resident?
Yes, I have.
Do you currently owe any back taxes?
No, but in 2017, I filed late because of a family emergency. I paid the penalty immediately.
Do you file jointly with your spouse or separately?
We filed jointly.
Do you own a vehicle?
Yes, a Toyota Camry 2019, fully insured.
Okay. What kind of bank accounts do you maintain?
Checking and savings accounts at Chase Bank.
Do your parents live in the United States?
No, they live in Guadalajara, Mexico.
Were any of your parents married before your age of 18?
No.
Do you have brothers or sisters in the U.S.?
Yes. My younger brother lives in San Antonio, Texas.
What is your current occupation?
I am a registered nurse at Dallas General Hospital.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
Full-time.
Please provide your workplace address.
1600 Medical Plaza Drive, Dallas, Texas, 75201.
When did you start working there?
In October 2019.
What shift do you normally work?
Mostly evening shifts, sometimes weekends.
Did you study in the U.S.?
Yes. I completed a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at the University of Texas at Arlington, graduating in 2014.
What are your responsibilities?
My responsibilities cover patient care, administering medications, coordinating with doctors, and maintaining medical records.
Where did you work before this job?
Valley Health Clinic, 920 Green Street, Fort Worth, from 2015 to 2019.
What year did you first come to the United States?
In 2009 on a student visa.
Have you taken any foreign trips since you become a permanent resident?
Yes, officer.
How many trips abroad have you taken in the last 5 years?
I had 2 trips.
Is there any international trip after submitting your N-400 application?
No.
Where was your first trip?
My first trip was to Mexico.
What was the date of your first trip?
It was from December 2016 to February 2017.
What was the reason of your first trip?
I went to Mexico to care for my grandmother.
How long did you stay?
About 2 months.
Have you ever applied for a re-entry permit when you were abroad?
No, officer.
Where was your last trip?
My last trip was to Mexico.
When was your second trip?
That was from July 2018 to February 2019.
That's over 6 months. Did you maintain ties to the U.S.?
Yes, my husband and children remained in Dallas.
What was the reason for that long stay?
I stayed in Mexico for 7 months when my father had surgery.
Okay. Have you ever stayed outside the U.S. for over 1 year?
No.
Did you ever miss work or school because of your trips?
Yes, I took unpaid leave for my trips, but returned to work as scheduled.
All right. We will now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer.
Please listen carefully to each question. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
All people of the state.
Why do some states have more representatives than other states?
Because of the state's population.
What ocean is on the west coast of the United States?
Pacific Ocean.
What is one reason colonists came to America?
Freedom.
In what month do we vote for president?
November.
What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
The Louisiana Territory.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
How many amendments does Constitution have?
27.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
Great! You have passed the civics test. Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen. But I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, officer.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever failed to support your spouse or children?
No, never.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No.
Have you ever been in a moral dilemma where family needs conflicted with U.S. law?
No.
Have you ever done sabotage?
No.
What is sabotage?
Destroy or damage on purpose.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No, I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, officer.
Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No, I have never been a habitual drunkard.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No, I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
What is immigration benefit?
Legal status or right from immigration.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, trafficking, or gambling crimes?
No.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Have you ever been involved with illegal drugs like selling or smuggling?
No, I have never sold or smuggled illegal drugs.
Have you ever been a member of any terrorist organization?
No, never.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit?
No, never.
Have you ever registered or voted in U.S. elections?
No.
What is registered to vote?
Signed up to vote.
Have you ever helped someone enter the U.S. illegally?
No, I have never helped anyone to enter the U.S. illegally.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No, I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever been in court for any civil disputes?
Yes, in 2016, I had a small claims case with my landlord over a security deposit. The judge ordered the landlord to return part of the deposit.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
Yes. Only the landlord dispute in 2016.
Have you ever had insurance issues related to traffic accidents?
Yes, in 2019, I was rear-ended. My insurance handled the case and it was settled.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country?
No, I have never served in the military or police of another country.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at once?
No, never.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs like selling, smuggling, or using?
No.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever failed to pay rent, loans, or credit card bills?
Yes. Once in 2015, I missed a credit card payment, but I paid the fee and corrected it.
Have you ever had to enforce the law in your family?
No, officer.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No, officer.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by law enforcement?
Yes, I received 2 traffic tickets.
Tell me about them.
In April 2018, I was cited for speeding 15 miles per hour over the limit in Fort Worth. I paid a $220 fine. In September 2021, I was ticketed for using my phone while driving. I paid $180.
Have you ever tried to overthrow the U.S. government by unconstitutional means?
No, officer.
What is overthrow government?
Remove government by force.
Okay. Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to support dependents or pay alimony?
No.
What is alimony?
Money paid to ex-spouse after divorce.
Since becoming a resident, have you called yourself a non-resident or not filed taxes?
No.
What is file tax return?
Send tax form to the government.
What is non-resident?
Not living as a U.S. resident.
Have you ever had your fingerprints taken by the police for any reason other than immigration?
No, officer.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever borrowed money and not paid it back?
No, I always repay what I owe.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution?
No, I have never been a prostitute, and I have never procured anyone.
Have you ever received weapons or military training?
No, officer.
Have you ever had your driver's license suspended or revoked?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No, I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the U.S.?
No, I have never been deported.
Have you ever sold or transport weapons?
No.
Have you ever stopped someone from practicing religion?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No.
What is illegal gambling?
Betting not allowed by law.
Do you carry any debt, such as loans or mortgages?
Just a car loan, which is up to date.
Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place?
No.
What is detention facility?
Place where people are held like jail, camp.
Have you ever had bankruptcy or financial trouble?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever been asked to lie to the government?
No.
Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the US or your home country?
No, never.
What is dictatorship?
Government with one ruler, full power.
Have you ever claimed to be a US citizen?
No.
What is claimed to be a US citizen?
Said you are a U.S. citizen.
Have you ever given false papers to US officials?
No, never.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No, never.
What is genocide?
Killing a whole race.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined?
No, I have never been arrested.
Do you volunteer in your community?
Yes, I volunteer twice a month at a food pantry.
Do you attend any church, mosque, or community group?
Yes, I attend St. Mary's Catholic Church in Dallas.
Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, never.
Have you ever committed assault?
No, officer.
Have you ever killed or tried to kill anyone?
No, never.
Have you ever been a member of an organization against the US government?
No, officer.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No.
What is national origin?
Country where a person is from.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, officer.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, officer.
What is bear arms?
Carry and use weapons.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
What is civilian direction?
Controlled by non-military.
What is work of national importance?
Important work for the country.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes.
What is oath of allegiance?
promise to be loyal to US.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, officer.
What are non-combatant services?
Military help without fighting.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship.
Thank you, officer.
Next, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, officer.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What is the largest city in America?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. New York City is the largest city in America. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you so much.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you have any other questions for me at this point?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen, paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. Based on today's interview, I am recommending your application for approval. You will receive a notice for your oath ceremony.
Thank you very much.
At the ceremony, you will raise your right hand, take the oath of allegiance, and receive your certificate of naturalization. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you. I appreciate your guidance.
You are welcome and have a great day.